Hi, I'm Dr. Aju Matthew. I'm a medical oncologist working in Kochi. Today I have with me Dr. Gifty Jose, a young medical professional who's been working with me for the last few months. Together, we come to you with some startling findings on a survey study that we did among our pharma friends or medical executives. Dr. Gifty, tell our audience what you did and what we found out.
Thank you, sir. So we did a survey for our pharma friends, and the survey was based on their lifestyle patterns, their sleep patterns, their food patterns, etc. And around 260 participants were responded to the survey, and we took a category of under 50 age of people, and around that came up to 243 people. So under this 243 people, we found out that the prevalence for diabetes is around 18% for this group of people.
Wow, let me interrupt you there. So, what you're trying to say is out of the 245 under 50 age pharma executives who responded to your survey, 18% reported diabetes.
Yeah, 18% self-reported diabetes.
What does it compare with the general public? Do we have any data points that we can refer to just get an estimate?
Yeah, actually we compared this data with, there is a National Family Health Welfare Survey happening that happened from the year of 2019 to 2022. So in that round 5, we extracted some data from there and we found out that the diabetes in general population under age 50 was only around 4%.
Wow. So you're saying that the Indian government's National Family Health Survey, NFHS, which is surveying the general public and asking them, do you have diabetes? 4% of participants in the survey said they had diabetes.
Yeah.
In your study, you have surveyed our pharma friends and 18% have reported that they have diabetes.
Yeah.
4% versus 18%. That's a dramatic jump.
Like not even 2-fold or 3-fold. It's much higher in this people. So what I'm trying to say is that these minor group of people are highly contributing to diabetes prevalence in our nation. So it is a very very important thing which we should take care of it. So in the further thing, we were thinking what will be the cause, like what will be the cause of this higher prevalence in this among our pharma friends, and we have
higher prevalence of diabetes in our pharma friends. We are trying to find what are the reasons they probably have such dramatic prevalence of diabetes, huh?
Yeah. Then we asked them some questions. There were different questions in the survey.
And what did you find?
In the survey, we gave the questions. As per the questions, we found some interesting data.
Tell us more.
So around 80 to 87% people and 57% people reported irregular food timings and eating food from outside and unhealthy diet habits.
So you're saying that a large majority of our pharma friends report bad dietary practices, bad dietary habits, as in they eat a bad unhealthy diet and irregular meal times too. Okay.
And we gave them a scale of rating their stress in their job. And we took the top stress category and that came up to around 55%.
So more than half the pharma executives in our study actually report high stress at job.
Yeah.
So you're bringing out two important factors for contribution of diabetes among this population. One, high stress at work. Two, bad dietary habits.
Yeah.
Okay.
And more interesting thing is like around 43% have sedentary lifestyle also.
That's the third part. Physical exercise is lacking
In this people. And around 57% reported that they are having alcohol occasionally. And around 58% said that they are working for more than 8 hours. And 56% said that they are having less hours of sleep, like even less than 6 hours of sleep.
So you're now bringing out a pattern here. High stress, bad diet, irregular food timings, lack of sleep, alcohol use, and low physical activity. Definitely all of these are associated with diabetes, right?
Yeah.
So what you're trying to say is our pharma friends need to step it up.
Yeah, they need to step up their game. Otherwise, they are going into a high risk diabetic prevalent group.
These are under 50 each individuals, which means their problems will start accumulating after they turn 50, right? So now's the time that you have to take care of your health. So what Dr. Gifty has found is that nearly 4-fold increase in prevalence of diabetes among pharma executives, pharma friends, and possible reasons being bad diet, irregular food timings, alcohol use, high stress at work, lack of sleep, and low physical exercise in their daily routine. So they got to buckle up and step it up, right?
Yeah.
So I hope Dr. Gifty's study is a warning shot to all of our friends who we really consider friends, that all of you should take care of your health. I know it is very difficult when you work to have regular meet timings, but as much as possible, please note the salient points of Dr. Gifty's amazing work, and please take care of your health. Dr. Gifty, any other final thoughts for them?
Yeah, this farmer friends will be our colleagues. They are our family. They might be your loved ones. They might be in your circle. So if you're seeing this video, just share it to them and make them aware of what at high risk these people are living, and tell them it's time for a change.
Yeah.
So that's
So the diabetes, how does this matter? Diabetes causes several complications, right?
Yeah.
It can cause ophthalmopathy or
Nephropathy.
retinopathy. It can cause nephropathy, kidney damage, long term. It can cause vascular
Cardiovascular
problems,
diseases.
right? Cardiovascular diseases, a lot of problems. So you got to take it. It's a slowly eating away kind of disease. It's not like a fast disease. So it's like playing a test match. Okay, you're not playing a 2020. You're playing a test match. So you got to pace your innings well. You got to take down bad habits from your life, adopt good habits, and you can reverse diabetes as well if by chance you have diabetes. So thank you, Dr. Gifty, for championing this study, and I hope all the pharma executives will appreciate the work that you've done, the hard work that you've done, and I hope this will be an eye-opener for all of our friends. Please share this video with your loved ones so that they can change their lifestyle for the better. And this is not just for pharma executives, this is for professions that have a lifestyle that is similar to that of a pharma executive. I think all of you should take care of your health so that you prevent diabetes and its ensuing complications. Thank you for paying attention, and best wishes with everything that you do in your life. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Gifty.
Thank you.
Thank you.